Let's first start with some things to look out for, and then we're going to talk about some positive things to look for. First, when you called the attorney's office and spoke to the attorney, was the first topic money? That shouldn't be that way. They should start to understand your problem and see if they want to help you, see if they can help you. The money can be talked about later. Next, did they ask questions when they sat down with you? Did they really actively listen? I'll tell you folks, it's really important because there's a lot of detail that can be missed if you're not listening. Next, does that lawyer have any special training, or is all his training received in law school? It's really good if they've got training outside of that. And by that I mean not just little 1-2 hour continuing legal education things. Next, is the lawyer talking to you in scare tactics? Let me explain that. Talking to you like maximum jail time, maximum fines, and just focusing on that. I'll tell you folks, that's a red flag because a lot of times that's just not the case unless you've got a lot of history or some especially bad facts in your case. A lot of times that's not going to happen, and they should be talking to you about realistic ranges based on their experience. Let me say it again. Realistic consequences based on your story that they just listened to and based on their experience in that jurisdiction. Next thing, anybody who's giving you promises, that's a huge red flag because we don't know. Nothing's 100% in our business. You never know what can happen. They shouldn't give promises. Bottom line here, folks, you want to feel good about the person you're talking with. You should be able to communicate easily, and you should never be intimidated. Here's some positive things to look for, though. Industry, recognition, and awards. If the lawyer's got some of those, fantastic. Look also for a good foundation of experience. Have they handled cases like yours? How many? Have they handled trials with a case like yours? How many? What's their experience level? That's great. Here's a little warning for you. Just because your lawyer's older or has gray hair doesn't mean that they're effective. Don't be confused by that. I don't mean to be negative or insult anyone, but something to watch out for. Also, again, they have training beyond law school. Fantastic. That's a good sign for you. It means they care about their craft and they care about helping you. The last one, and the one that is just my favorite and I think is most important, is act like a human being. They were decent to you. You could have a conversation. They weren't busy judging you. Okay? This is important. You got to be able to get along. They should be there to help you and not judge you. Okay? Those are some good starting points. I'm happy to help you. My name is Senate Luchin. I hope I meet you in the future. Thanks very much.